This video is to give virtual tour on Super Nintendo World, a unique attraction of Universal Studios Japan. I purchased Universal Express Pass 7 via QClock app. At Universal Studios Japan, the Express Pass 7 is a popular premium option that lets you skip the regular lines for certain top attractions, saving you a lot of waiting time, especially on busy days. What is Express Pass 7? You can skip the line for 7 major attractions. It's a one-time priority access per ride. You can't re-ride with the same pass. Great for those wanting to experience the most popular rides efficiently. Now welcome to Super Mario Land. Here you will enjoy one Mario Kart, Koopa's Challenge and Yoshi's Adventure. Mario Kart. Koopa's Challenge at Universal Studios Japan is an augmented reality AR dark ride with interactive elements for 5 minutes. Guests wear a Mario visor with AR goggles, blending real sets with digital characters. You'll see Mario, Luigi, Princess Peach, and rivals racing alongside you. You need to wait for at least 45 minutes to take this thrill ride. The queue line itself is an attraction, walking through Bowser's castle, seeing his trophies, plans, and even a life-sized Bowser statue. Yoshi's Adventure is a family-friendly, scenic 5 minutes ride in Super Nintendo World at Universal Studios Japan, Osaka. It's Omni-Mover-style slow-moving ride, similar to Disney rides like It's a Small World. It's designed to be relaxing, colorful, and accessible for all ages. Perfect for kids and those who want to enjoy the sights of the park at a slower pace. Now we're going to last attraction, Minecart Madness, a unique family coaster in Donkey Kong Country, where guests experience the sensation of jumping the track without screens, using a new boom coaster system. This immersive experience captures the spirit of the Donkey Kong games, allowing visitors to step into a lush jungle environment filled with adventure and thrills. The centerpiece of Donkey Kong Country is the Minecart Madness roller coaster, an innovative ride that promises to deliver a unique and exhilarating experience, featuring a dual-track system that simulates the iconic minecart levels from the Donkey Kong video games. Hope this video was useful to you. Thank you for your time. Please subscribe for more travel videos.